Afternoon guys, my name is Santi. We are from team 4 and my friends are Chandu, Sidhu, Ganesh and Salman. Statement is toll transaction based on distance. Toll fee is a form of road pricing typically implemented to help recoup the cost of roads, road constructions and maintenance. Earlier the toll was collected by paying the money to the toll booth. At present the toll is collected by FASTags, which is linked to the Paytm wallet account, and the money will be detected after the FASTag barcode is scanned, but the amount detected is up to the next toll. In few cases, people only travel up to some distance after paying the toll fee. So our main motive is to make the people pay amount for the distance they travel, not for the distance which they do not travel.
The required components of our project are Arduino Uno, which is a microcontroller which has 16 pins, and laser transmitter, which is used to emit the laser light, and laser receiver, which is used to receive the laser light, and GSM module, which is useful to send message to the user. And the existing solutions are manual toll booth collection and FASTag. Manual toll booth collection is the person will be sitting in the toll booth and he will be collecting the cash, and another one is using Paytm RFID scanner, we can collect the money from the user and the money will be deducted.
First, the laser transmitters are fixed to the post on the toll road. Laser receivers are fixed to the vehicles along with GSM model. Let us keep one laser transmitter per 1 kilometer. When vehicle starts from the toll entrance and travels 1 kilometer, the transmitter is received by the receiver, and the GSM module sends message to the user that respective amount is deducted from your account. After receiving the laser light, we get the information that the user has traveled for a particular distance, and we can collect the toll amount through online payment based on the number of kilometers he traveled.
The main advantages of this project are traffic is reduced in toll buildings, cost charges as per the distance we travel. It helps the people who travels this distance. There is no need of toll buildings, simplifies the manual work.
So by doing this project, we conclude this. The proposed system will help both the civilians and contractor. For the civilians can pay less amount, and the cost of toll building is reduced for the contractor, and we can collect money based on the distance the user traveled rather than for entire toll. Traffic at toll stations will be reduced a lot because the vehicles can move at the same speed without stopping.
So as you can see, this is a laser transmitter, and there is a receiver in this box which receives the laser light. So after laser light is emerged to the receiver, there will pop up a message through the GSM module.